us and have health. I'm very grateful that I have this camera, GoPro 9, given us a gift by my team to be able to record these wonderful, beautiful views from Tanzania, Africa, as we are on our third day journey to Kilimanjaro. It's been great. Yes, it's somewhat challenging to breathe, but then again we're up to 11,000 feet of altitude. To our highest point for the day, 14,500 feet. We're going to be spending some time here along with the rest of the group. This is a welcome committee as we made it back down. 14,000+ feet. Awesome group from ultimate Kilimanjaro.
Wageni wanalilia nini?